the hot glue gun, that may not start.
Without the glue stick, you can use it. It will work.
I am Avani here. So I am doing a new project, a laptop project with a cardboard. I want to put a screen to it. So is
That's not possible.
You can, but you would need more than, I mean, I have almost like
You
some
need to
100
make your own
LEDs.
circuits and all.
I
You
still
can't make
do
a
screen. So
laptop.
if you want a screen, you need to at least get 2000 of LEDs. 2000 LEDs.
LED is way more than that, dude. He wants
And
to get a
LEDs,
screen.
and you need to make one particular type of
Screen, you can only get it. You can't
make it like, I mean, you'll take hours to do it.
For the screen also, you need to shoot an electron. Then only it works.
Yes, you need also have button. So if you press a button,
Then
a
only the
particular
electron shoots.
light
It will be very tough.
be connected in parallel. That on. And
They need
so
to be
whenever you
very
type,
small, like
so I think so that's
thousands of
Shlok, I wanted to say you something.
Can
Actually,
you please talk in private?
yeah.
Private chat window.
And I got this breadboard, but I mean, in that video also, I'm not able to understand how to connect in the breadboard.
That's kind of breadboard, I think so.
Yeah, it's a breadboard, but like it has very narrow holes. So how to insert wire into it?
For that, you need special wires called jumping wires.
No, you can also use normal wires, I think so.
So Advai, I am leaving now because.
Okay, that's okay.
Yeah. Okay.
But you missed a lot of sessions. If you have attended, you could have at least learned till logic gates. Logic gates, we use it for calculator. Okay.
I just wanted to explore this.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Okay. So seems like no one is prepared.
And what is this? I mean, I have seen the straight, not L-shaped wires, an L-shaped motor, DC motor. These are chassis motor, na?
Can you please? I don't know. I have not used those motors.
I've used those motors for my car. Yeah, those motors are there. I have motors for 2 projects. For that, you need soldering bud.
Okay, for this also soldering. Okay.
Otherwise, if you don't want to do soldering, if you don't have, then you can buy a breadboard and some electronic components, and you can do some simple circuits. Like example that if you on a switch, a normal switch one, if you on a switch.
Okay, so
you
guys want to know how to do things without soldering, right?
Yes, you need to use breadboard for that.
Yeah, so I'll give one more link for that.
Yes, or you can also do something like you can also
Okay,
get
so
PCB.
you want to learn connections of solar panel?
The solar panels is that takes sunlight and convert it into.
No, you want to learn about the connections and all stuff?
Yeah, I want to learn how to work on breadboard because it has so narrow holes and my normal wire is not.
Breadboard, I've given a link. For that, you need the jumping wires. You can
you can also use normal wires for that.
No, but jumping wires are special for breadboard. Actually, they fit in the breadboard perfectly. Does it have a
Please
thin
repeat.
rod in the front? Connection rod?
It is like this.
If it's multiple strands like there are many wires in a wire, it will be little difficult. If there's a single wire,
I don't know what's the color.
need the jumping wire.
I don't know what's the connection of it. You may buy a PCB if you want, but that's not PCBs. You can, but that's a very tough one. You will take one day to make a circuit. If it is a bit wrong, tough one, not PCB. It is okay. You have not tested a PCB. Okay.
So you want to know the connections of solar panel?
I want to know any connections. Till now, I am able to switch on only with DC motor, the buzzer, fan.
Yeah.
That's it,
Okay.
like the bulb, LEDs. But I want to go beyond it. With switch, without switch, I
So
know. But
yeah, I'll
beyond
send
that.
something, but I want to ask everybody what they want to learn about exactly. What about you, Advait? Solar panel
Yes,
connections are
just a
okay?
second. Yes, I'm searching on a link. Simple. So a simple electronics one with. Okay, Parul auntie, what is that board you had now? You showed that brown color board. What's the name of that?
I got it with the name breadboard only. This is a breadboard only.
It's called a project board.
Project
Okay.
board. Okay. How is it different from breadboard?
What? Which board is it called?
Breadboard only.
Yeah, so it's a breadboard. But it's a different type of breadboard. That's the thing.
I'm just searching a simple one.
Something to show, then you can carry on and send me link later on also.
It's okay, we can. If you have something called a breadboard, like something like, just a second.
What are we doing in today's electronics club?
I don't know. You need to. Yes. Nobody
I'll
was.
just, we'll send links like.
Not links. We are helping Parul auntie to get some things. I'm still searching. But PCB is a tough one for Parul auntie because and also for me.
Solar connections, right? In chat window, I've sent a solar connection to fans.
Okay, but I'm searching how to use that project board.
Auntie Parul auntie, can you show something which you have done?
Actually, I have done two things, but my kid broke it. So I made a car. I posted in the Slack that time, and I made a walking ultimate. But it is with a very simple connection, just with DC motor and this battery.
Okay.
You can that alone you can show now.
Advait, you have sent one more link, right?
Yes.
So today you can just watch all the links me and Advait sent. Yeah, that's how today we can conduct by like watching.
No, that would not be. Let us help Parul auntie and.
That's what I've sent a fan with solar connections one.
Yes.
From.
I really don't have any idea how to use a
link.
project board.
Solar connections.
You guys can do one
Logic
thing. You
board,
can share how you started your electronics journey, because at present I have a 4-year-old son. So he and me are both interested these days with these electronic things. So you can share something how you started I know a bit of Advait, but Shlok, Aklesh, you can share, or you have something recently done. I
Okay.
can watch the links later on because it's gonna waste everybody's time.
No, it is okay. No problem. We can help. It's still showing a breadboard. You may actually buy a real breadboard, which is the white color one, and that if you buy that, you can. You can do many things. You just need to.
So what is the purpose of breadboard? In that current passes from one hole to another, or there are special like holes have different functions. Different holes have different functions.
Yes, I will just send another. I'll just send another link, so you can watch that. You will get to know what.
Even I am sending. I think we should watch links in that. Maybe in one video, what we both selected will like be there.
So you can actually do anything.
I have sent watch all the links, whatever you can.
Yes, actually, she's showing that breadboard. Okay, actually, what is that name? The board which you're showing?
Aklesh, you're on mute.
Achilles, unmute yourself.
Oh, so this is the board. I don't know what's its name. I need to just find out. But even
I have the same one.
Okay, do you have a breadboard? I just
this is my breadboard.
Yeah, show both together. Look, they're different. One is something and one is a breadboard. So today you can watch the links in one of them. Maybe the board which you have might be there.
These are the thin wires which I was telling about.
Can you? Okay.
Just
Yeah.
one thing.
I have the thin wires too, but they are not getting inserted into this project board, I would say, the brown board.
No, brown board, I don't think so. For the brown board, you would have gotten something like this.
No.
You need to solder in the brown board. You can't just fix it.
Okay.
And if you get this, you can just fix it, and from the other side, you can connect a wire and solder. So he has given for easier to do it.
Yes. So today you can watch the links. Next class we'll find out until.
Sure. So can I save the chat somewhere?
yes. Go to ...
These are the wires, and these are the jumping wires.
Yeah. I know jump wires, but don't know how to use it. Basically,
I'll send the link once more.
And does anybody know what is this? Even I got this in electronics kit.
What? Just a second.
Is it a wheel?
It's a pulley. It's a pulley.
Oh, it's a pulley. Okay.
I think so.
I think so. Even I don't know. I think so. That's just a material. I think so. That's
No. Actually, in the electronic kits now, they have different non-electronic based things also, so that you can turn them into some project like walking robot or some moving things. So they provide such things also.
Can everybody please mute yourselves? Parul auntie, can you please talk to Advait and chat window because
My dad calls it gears. The one which I showed you, the blue one.
And you could also buy something called jump wires, which is very useful for breadboard. Any things?
hey, is Avini there? There's a link. Go to the last link which I have sent, and then in that there's given how to make that computer screen. They're like shown the circuits for a computer link. Last one I have gone. Last one I have sent. Last link I have sent. Go to that one. That computer thing is there.
Okay, so if you want to use a breadboard, you can also watch this video of jump wires. Yes, if you want to save the link, press that 3 dots and you will get something called save chat. Then you can press that, you will save your chat. 3 dots. Press on that. You'll get something. If you have a phone, 3 dots, press on that. You search something called save chat or go to chat and again press 3 dots and you will get something called save chat. If you press that, you can save your chat.
So Akhilesh can share how he's working with the 2 boards.
Yes, so whatever you use, if you use a board, you need to know the breadboard connections, how the breadboard is connected. For that, you can see the first video that you can understand how the breadboard is connected, and there is also a video, so you can go connect like that video. If you there's actually they have given a PCB. If you don't have a PCB, it's all right. You just need to take the battery and connect wires. It is okay. That's simply. If you don't have the same amount of resistor, it is okay. You need to that just controls the light emits, how much bright and low it comes. If it doesn't come, you can put a lower resistor. You can probably take 1 kilo ohm resistor. 1 kilo ohm resistor, I mean 1 kilo ohm resistor color code is brown, black, red, gold. They will always give it. That's the resistor that always comes. You can get it easily. You can put that resistor and you can use like that also. You can test this circuit where you can on LEDs. You could put it into parallel and series. Things which I've told in the last some few sessions. Parallel meaning you would have a LED, 3 LEDs in parallel connection and series connection. I had taught everyone what is parallel and series circuits. I think so. Were you there in the parallel or series connection? Okay. So parallel is series is something that the the current comes from a resistor to a positive of an LED, and that goes to the negative goes to another LED, and the negative goes back to the battery. So 2 LED arms. The parallel circuit is the positive wires will go to 2 of the LEDs also, and the negative wire will come off for the 2 of the LEDs also. So both are connected in the same. Still the light emits. You can try those 2 circuits. You can try that same thing with a motor. Then if you have a transistor, you may do a buffer gate circuit. Actually, if I switch off my video, there's one circuit you can see. If I switch off my video, you can see. You can try this circuit when you know a lot of electronics, which I'm trying.
Yeah, it is little advanced for me.
Parul auntie, right now in chat, you want to know the solar connections, right?
Yes, you can.
There are many links. You can watch them. In those links, you might get something about your board because literally we have sent 100 or something. From like the last one is about the computer screen making or something. But you can keep going. There's one link which there's solar connection, solar connected to a fan.
I'm still not able to get the save my chat option. I have 3 dots. I am clicking on that. Then it is showing chat option, but I'm not
You
able
don't
to
need to
save.
save chat right now. You can watch the links. You can watch all right now. There's enough time, I guess. Yeah. There's still 1 hour. It's just 3:35. Our class will end at 4:30.
No, but I want to interact with you kids now and watch the links later on.
Okay, so I think so. I got a link.
I'll repost it. Look, you have to press the 3 dots right now. Did you get an option like more when you go near it?
Yeah.
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 Now press
chat
it.
and go to chat. Go to chat.
Yeah. Now press that thing. There'll be save chat.
No,
Then
there is
press
no.
press chat. Go to chat first.
Double click. You
I
have
am
to
in the
double
chat
click.
right now.
You got it?
I am in the chat now, but on
Double
the chat.
click it. Just
Double-
double.
Now again press the 3 dots.
See, I'm using a phone right now, no? So maybe in laptop it has an option.
Go log in your laptop then.
Okay, just now try to watch all the links. And
I'm
then
doing a screenshot and then I'll try to, link it with Google and then see the links.
who's the host?
Aditi auntie.
Okay.
I
I think
think
we Aditi auntie, can you give us a whiteboard? Aditi auntie?
Can
Yeah,
you
and I have-
can you make me a can you
Yeah.
make me the co-host?
Yeah, Advay, your
No, don't share your screen. Can you please give a whiteboard to us?
Yeah.
No, we can. I will. Why? Yes.
Advay can share.
Yeah, Advay, give a whiteboard. I want to show you a connection. I learned how to annotate. Allow us to annotate, okay?
We can ignore
Hey.
it. I don't know what was that. I was just exploring different options. I'm deleting it. That's okay. Yeah.
Oh, just a second.
So what do you see this thing called Hi, I'm there to help you get stuff done or something?
Ratnesh,
Taskboard. Click on taskboard. Let's see what happens.
Ratnesh sir, can you make me the co-host? Me and Advay the co-host?
Yeah, I saw that also.
Just make me and Advay the co-host. Krishna and Advay the co-host. Yeah. Now can you give the whiteboard?
I tried it a little bit. Have you tried it a little bit? This one,
Yeah, right now I'm the co-host, but I need the whiteboard. Then only me and Advay can show the connections.
I think there could be one co-host.
No, two. I'll be the co-host. There can be as many co-hosts as they want. Co-host, Advay.
You can press share option and you can.
No. Advay, just give a whiteboard. Do you know how to give whiteboard?
Okay, you can annotate. I will leave you to annotate.
Leave it to annotate mode. Yeah, good. Thank you. But annotate option is not yet here.
No. I'll tell. Yes. Lock meeting enable. What? Can you only make the whiteboard or
I'll give the whiteboard.
Hey, you're the co-host. You can also make the whiteboard.
I know that. Yeah, given the whiteboard, annotating is allowed. Go to text as well. You have scribbled. Text. Okay, so what are the connections you guys want to learn about?
See, I'm new, so I'm ready for everything. I told I have a very basic knowledge.
Okay, so okay. Advay, you want to learn anything about connections? You want to learn car making, like remote control, simple car?
Or anything. Just a second. I'm trying to send one PPT which I have did. So she can.
Okay, till the time I'll show you the normal breadboard, like I'll show you about jumping wires. So I need red.
Hey, I had got something.
So right now, these are not exactly the jumping wires. I need weights now.
Can you just show me some any kind of just circuit?
No, I'm showing about jumping wires. Like this is a jumping wire, not exactly. Okay. And
I'm going to send the link.
Asway,
Yes.
are you there?
Yes.
Can you on your video just 1 second?
Yes.
Yes, see, I will on my video. So I'm trying to connect with the BC547 transistor,
I can't pin video. Yes.
and the resistor. But now with I have one wire connected to in the series. Where should I connect the next wire to the battery? These two wires are for the battery.
Okay, I have a question. Okay, let me tell. So you need to take one 470 kilo ohms resistor and one 1 kilo ohm resistor.
I don't have those resistors.
Yeah. Okay, let me make a simple circuit and come of a transistor. Then I can explain you actually. I'll just make a transistor circuit and come.
Okay, what are you trying to do?
okay, so learn about breadboard, then you learn connections.
Okay. Just a second. Achillesh? Achillesh?
Yes?
Okay. So can you on your video?
Yeah. Yeah, what?
So I'm helping you. So take a breadboard.
Yeah.
So first search, do you have a BC547 NPN transistor. Do you have an NPN transistor or a PNP? Is it
BC547B080 transistor?
No, you need to have BC547B166 NPN transistor. BC547B166. Or you could also just use BC547.
Yeah, it's there.
Yes. So take that transistor.
Yeah.
Place it so one leg goes to one on hole. So if you can, you need to join it like this.
Yeah, I joined it in the series.
No, just put one transistor like this.
Yeah, I put. Oh, 1 second, I'll put. Yeah, I put.
Okay, now take a switch.
What?
Take a switch.
Switch. 1 second, for 1 second, I'll take a switch. Oh man. I took a switch. Now what should I do?
From the middle wire of the transistor. Can you see the middle one?
Yeah.
From that line to some other line. You need to connect.
The switch, huh?
Yes.
Show me the switch.
Yes. A switch from here to there.
No, can you show it? I'm not able to see. You make it near.
Just a second. I
Make
need...
the board near to me. To the video.
So, can you see now? A
Yeah.
transistor is like this.
See the whiteboard. This is how a jumping wire looks.
I don't have that kind of switch.
You don't need to have this kind of switch. You can
Actually,
use any switch.
I have only this kind of switch.
Ajay, 1 minute. Achilles, do you have a wire like this which I have drawn here?
Yes. No, I don't.
Yeah, that is jumping wires. That only connects to breadboards, not normal wires.
So normal wires also connects.
Yeah, but this is the main wire for breadboard. I've drawn this is a jumping wire. These are the main for breadboards.
Adway, is it okay if I have this kind of switch? I don't have any other kind of switch.
Yeah, that's also
That
okay.
is okay, but you need to make some wire connections. The
Okay.
middle wire of the transistor needs to come to one side of the switch. The other side needs to go to
Parul auntie?
1 second.
Yes.
Yeah, this is a jumping wire. For your board, I think you should use this type of wire.
Okay.
I have drawn one here.
Adway?
Yeah, I know jumping wires.
Adway.
Yes.
So one should go to the switch, then the other one should go to?
A 470 kilo ohms resistor.
1 second, for 1 second. 1 second, I'll just fit the. Where should I fit the 470 volt kilo ohm resistor?
470. From the other side of the switch to positive. From the other side of the switch to positive, and the other side of the other.
How should I connect the main? So the switch I have, see here. Switch I've connected one side. The other side I will connect. 1 second. 1 second. Yeah. Other side of the switch also I've connected. 1 second, I'll connect. Yeah. So I have two sides I've connected. Now what should I do? One should go to the
Positive.
where's the positive?
One should go to the 470 kilo ohms resistor.
Where should I fit the 470 volt kilo ohm resistor? I'm not understanding
From
that.
positive to one side of the switch is 470 kilo ohms. From the one side of the switch where the 470 kilo ohms.
Can you show it near?
Just a second, let me point it and show. See, I took a 470 kilo ohms resistor.
Can you show the board near?
Okay, so now
Yeah.
from the positive, I took a 470 kilo ohms to
Yeah.
one side of the switch. The other side of the switch goes to the middle wire of the transistor.
Yes, so this switch, see, if this is my board, so
Any
this,
switch is okay.
so this switch connects to the here.
One of the switch goes to the middle part of the transistor, which is
Okay.
the
Then
other side of the switch goes to 470 kilo ohms. The other side of the 470 kilo ohms goes to positive.
One thing I'm not getting, Advait has not connected the wires and Akhilesh has connected the wires.
He have connected because of he don't have a switch which doesn't legs. Doesn't have legs. My switch has legs.
Okay, okay.
it would be. Can you take the resistor and put it back?
Okay. The 470 kilo ohms resistor, one side of the switch goes to one side of the resistor and to positive of the breadboard. Simple.
Positive. Show again. Oh, to keep that to the that there are two rows. That one positive.
Positive, from positive to one of the side of the switch to a switch to middle wire of the transistor.
Switch 1 second.
If you okay,
Oh, they like this,
yes,
this?
and now
Is it like this?
can you please show it more near and like this?
This?
This, not like this.
Is it like this?
I'm not able to see. You're showing the breadboard like this.
Is it like this?
Your video is blur actually. Just a second, I'm seeing. From Achilles, I told the transistor middle wire. Yes, middle wire. Hey, I told the middle wire of the transistor goes to the switch. The middle.
I'm connected to the middle wire only, pa. I think so.
Middle wire of the transistor. Yes, to 470 kilo ohms to positive. Correct.
Now,
Okay, now if you can see the, just a second. If you can see the, just a second, the left wire of the transistor.
left wire. Yeah.
From that you need to take the positive wire of the LED and to negative of the battery.
Wait 1 second. What for?
The left wire of the transistor
Yeah.
is connected to positive of the LED to negative.
So, where should I fix the LED now?
Take an LED.
I took it.
Take the positive wire of the left wire of the transistor.
Yeah, I took.
Now put it to negative of the battery.
Which is the battery?
The negative battery is the negative part of the LED goes to the negative of the battery and the positive goes to the left wire of the transistor.
1 second, pa. One second. Are you telling? 1 second, 1 second.
Vimal, you can on your video 1 minute.
Are you telling like this?
You
Are you
have,
telling like this?
Vimal, you're actually late.
Are you telling like this, Advait?
The left goes to an LED, goes back to battery. Yes. The left wire, na?
Yeah.
Goes to the LED positive and back to the battery.
Is it proper?
Yes.
Now what should I do?
Now the right wire goes to 1 kilo ohm resistor.
Which is the right?
The rightmost wire of the transistor.
Yeah. One second. I'll take the 1 kilo ohm resistor part.
Oh, just a second. Just a second.
I took the 1 kilo ohm resistor now.
Take the right wire of the transistor to the positive. Just like the 470 ohms, the right.
To the positive.
Yes.
Vimal? Vimal, unmute yourself. Everybody unmute yourself.
Okay. So Achilles, did you connect the positive wire?
Wait, only co-host unmute yourself. Bro, Advait, you can teach Achilles next class also because it's breadboard connections, right?
Yes, it is okay.
Right now, yeah. Wait, Vimal, unmute yourself.
Okay, Achilles. Achilles. Hello, Achilles, are you there? You can unmute yourself, Achilles.
Achilles, you can unmute. Vimal also.
Hey, just a second.
Just unmute everybody.
Yes, he's unmuted. Yes. Achilles.
Vimal. Vimal, can you hear me?
Yes, Achilles.
Yeah, I'm unmuted.
Now,
just 1 minute, bro. You guys mute.
We will just be continuing. Connect the positive wire of the battery and the negative.
Vimal, can you hear me? Okay, Vimal is going.
And now what should I do?
Take the positive of the battery to positive line of the breadboard. Take the negative of the battery to negative line of the breadboard.
What?
Take the positive line to the positive line of the breadboard. Take positive.
One second.
Connect the battery, that's it.
1 second.
Let me see if I have some error in this circuit. Yes, worked.
Yeah. I took 2 wires. 1 second.
Connect it to the battery.
1 second. battery. Yeah. 1 second. Wait a second. I need to take my battery first.
So what is happening in the circuit is, if you on the switch, okay.
1 second. I'll just fix this, man. I'll just bring my battery.
Bring the 9 volt. Bring the 9 volt one.
Advai, can you hear me?
Yes.
Vimal is coming and going. Did you like remove Vimal?
That only host can do. I think so. Co-host can't do.
We can do.
Then you do. You're the co-host. Why are you telling me?
Yeah. What
Even you're the co-host.
I don't have that battery.
Advai 9 is also the co-host.
Yes, I know, Pa. You can also do. Why are you?
Dude, I didn't remove him. I'm asking you. Did you remove him?
I didn't.
Okay. So some reason.
Okay, so connect the battery.
I don't have that battery. Only have this battery. Do you know?
Whatever, just connect the battery.
1 second.
If you have a lower power battery, take out the 470 kilo ohms and put 470 ohms, not kilo ohms. Ohms.
Okay, I put now.
Just a second. Yes.
1 second.
So attach the battery.
1 second.
Okay, if you are attaching a lower battery, please, I suggest you can use a 470 ohms battery.
Yeah, I already changed it. Yeah, so now this is my battery. Now the battery, how should I fix it?
The positive wire to positive line of the breadboard. The negative wire is negative.
Yeah, 1 second. The positive wire to the positive line of the breadboard. 1 second.
Okay.
Yes, and the
Negative is negative side of the breadboard.
negative wire to the negative side of the breadboard.
Yes, and the
Voice is
positive.
breaking.
The positive. If the positive wire needs to be connected to the positive.
I'm doing. So negative wire connected to the
Guys.
negative wire connected to the negative.
Because
side.
you're share screening, the voice is breaking for you.
Guys, can you hear me?
Yes. Okay. Why do you say the same question 100 times?
Dude.
I think so. We are not dudes. Yeah, now should I test it?
Yes. Now on the switch, the light needs to on. Off the switch, the light needs to off.
See, I'm leaving annotate option. Don't scribble on the thing. Do your text. If you want to like, you can just do it on the thing. Okay, don't scribble. What you want to learn, you can type by yourself. Not to you, Advai. Not to you. You are the co-host.
I can.
Yeah, you can type. I'm left annotate option.
It's not working.
I don't know.
Is it working for you? Show me.
That is working for me. See? If I on the switch, the light on. If I off the switch, the light off.
For me, it's not working.
Okay, let me just share the screen so you can get to know this. I mean, The circuit diagram. Let me make the circuit diagram.
Okay, show me the circuit diagram. Are you drawing that?
No, I'm share screening that.
Yeah, draw the diagram. No, don't draw in that. Draw in your blackboard. I will see.
Oh. Okay. No, I'm bad at writing. It is okay. Let me share screen. I already have it. I have the circuit diagram already. Hey, can you please stop share screening? I need to share screen. Yes. So Achillesh, I'm going to share screen. Yes. So can you see this circuit diagram? I'll make it bigger. That is the circuit diagram which you need to do. It is working for me. And I also did the circuit and showed the PPT like this. Okay. Achillesh. Achillesh,
Definitely, sir. She went.
you took him out.
I didn't take. Then why was she there for so much time? And her internet is not the problem.
You will join, I think so.
How that happened? Yeah, you can speak.
Yes.
What is happening? Why is I'm getting muted again and again?
I don't know who's muting. I was doing share screen.
ನಾನು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay.
Just 1 minute. I don't know who's muting you.
It is showing the host is not allowing to unmute. It's Aarohi.
Hey, you're not able to unmute?
Yes, me and Akhilesh both. Because you are our co-host, na? Me and Akhilesh, you can read in the chat also.
Akhilesh went off. I don't know how. His internet was not proper. Last time I saw it was blur and it paused and it went. He was like this.
Oh, sorry. I'm really sorry. I didn't read the chat window. I'm very, very sorry.
Again it got muted. How is it getting muted? See, keep your hands here.
Yes.
Again it got muted.
How to unmute?
Bro, you don't touch anything. You're muting it 100 times.
I am muting because my son got injured and I need to leave. Sorry.
Venki is connected.
Hey, I think so. Achilles. Did Achilles join?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You can.
Actually, what happened to you? Your internet went.
No, nothing happened. The co-host, some of you made me not. You can't make. You told not able to unmute.
Oh, that's why you left it.
Achilles. Can't hear anything from you. Achilles. He again went.
Muting me. Advai, you're muting me.
Oh, I am asking Achilles to unmute. I think so. Sorry, I thought you are Achilles.
That's why it's coming. Host muted you.
Ask to start.
What?
On your video. That's what I meant. Hey.
But something are doing.
First, where is this girl? Achilles, just a second.
No. It seems she's getting muted continuously. That's why she left last time.
Man.
Sorry, I had to leave. Yeah, I'm back.
Oh.
What is happening now?
Yes. I actually made a circuit, you can see. This Achilles went. Whenever
Yeah.
I'm using a transistor, I'm using a transistor. I have
So you're
shared the
pressing on
screen.
the breadboard.
Huh?
You're pressing on the breadboard. You're not touching anywhere, no?
No, I'm owning the switch.
Acha, with the switch. Okay.
See.
So what is the purpose of using the breadboard? I mean, we can use a switch and an LED and a battery like that also.
We can
Why on the
also, but you should all.
You have to make your own circuit to the breadboard. You can make circuits through breadboard. So that's the use of breadboard.
You can remove one circuit and again make another circuit.
Yeah, that's also possible. So okay, now I'm sending one link of
How to use a breadboard, huh?
yeah, how to use a breadboard.
Yes, please. When I'm learning how to use these ICs.
Okay.
ICs, those are complex. You can learn it after.
Yeah. I have seen in some toys, I think.
But that you find this particular IC. Anywhere you go in a time, yes, you see this IC particularly. This is the most likely IC they use for every toys.
Can you show it the view? Okay.
This is the normal IC which they use for toys. But
yeah, I've given the link how to use a breadboard. Watch it.
Thank you.
Watch it. Yeah.
Right now?
Your
right
voice
now or anytime, whatever.
right now only you watch it. It's better to get over. The last link is the breadboard, how to use. Otherwise, even you watch it.
Hey, I've watched it billion times. Why are you
No.
not?
How to use a breadboard?
You know, why should I watch? I know.
Okay.
Yeah, this is for me. He already knows it now.
I've got a larger breadboard and I also know how to use the larger breadboard. I know.
Exactly.
This is all for Parul auntie, that's it. She's still learning. Let's see learn. I've already learned. I don't want to learn that same thing again.
So what? You are learning ICs these days?
Yes, I see how to use IC chips. I have 5 timer, NOT gate IC, AND gate IC, OR gate IC, XOR gate IC, and especially some sortings are happening.
And Krishna, what are you learning these days?
Krishna.
Yeah?
What are you learning these days?
Me, I'm actually into programming.
Okay.
Do you come to programming club?
Yeah, I'm the toughest language, Julia. Me, Shika, Misty, and then that one more fellow, Krishan. Actually, I'm into programming. That I want to be a robotic scientist.
I want to make a program. So I have these many components. I always use these components.
Oh wow. They're actually tablet boxes.
36 components.
Okay. And where do you get your supplies from? Is there any online? Or
Amazon works.
Amazon, yeah, you can get your parts from Amazon. They give
can
everything.
you name the companies from where I can get? I have searched. I got my kit from Amazon only, but it is okay types.
Flipkart?
Yes, there is not okay. Even I got an okay type, but this works amazing. This is option. This works amazing.
Which company?
Flipkart is good. In Flipkart also, I think you get parts.
I have not used Flipkart.
Actually, in study club also, I have to learn robotic parts. So, if you come to study club, you can ask about breadboard, like electronic teaching. They give you extra course. I took parts of robotics.
Advay?
Yes.
Advay?
Yes.
Advay?
Yes.
Can you share that circuit again? I did not write it.
Bro, he just did it 3-4 times.
Yeah, once again, I'll just tell after I wrote it.
Now you can show. Okay, I'm going to be. Can you still see this only? Now I'm there and. Okay. Okay. Actually, that is really, if you want to, just.
It is not really opening in the respective app.
Yes, so it's actually really, you can actually buy it in Amazon. There's actually kits. Let's just.
I got it from Kid for Curious.
What?
I got it from this company.
Actually, if you are like into electronics and robotics, there'll be robotic building toys. So if you buy them, you can make your own robot. That's a better thing than the separate circuit making.
Actually, I'm in a starting stage now, so I prefer these components because these are the basic things.
No, basic things are there, but you can buy simple robotic kits. Like there are like kit toys, simple robotic kits.
But then there is, it's like a close-ended projects, I would say. From these things, you can make many things. But from robotics, there is a start and there is an end. So that's why I want to buy something open-ended, like these things.
Okay. Means like, yeah, so you have to buy what you are trying. But if you want to like build like okay stuff, you have to go for robotic kits.
From Amazon, which company do you buy from?
I buy like.
Okay, should I?
Once again, don't finish screen share. Just let it be there. I'll just write it.
Hey, sad fellow, man. That fellow is That's why I taught her so much.
Parul auntie, you can see this video which I sent it newly in the chat window.
Okay.
Okay.
Have you written the circuit, Achilles?
Once again, I'm just doing.
Otherwise, let me.
1 second, just 1 second, and I'll finish.
Yes, copy pasting the photo and I will again send it to you.
1 second, just 1 second. Take 1 second.
But I was not able to do that. And it even said there is some box or something.
Hey, I'll send the circuit diagram in Slack also. I will stop sharing.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, I'll send it privately to you in Slack.
Yeah, I've seen that.
The photo.
Advay, I've given a link for you. So you like sensors, right? Sensors you like to make, right?
What sensors? Just
You don't know sensors.
oh, that is not playing for me. That's saying an error to occur. Please try again. Later playback ID. Okay. It's not letting me to.
Krishna, you made that car now, which you showed last time. Krishna,
Yeah.
you made the car last time, na, which you showed.
Yeah.
How do you make the body of the car and the remote control?
It's actually not remote control. With the 6-band wires, we connected it. But the thing is, it was a sponge body. The body was made of foam.
The body
Can't hear you.
The body is made up of
Sponge.
Sponge.
Yeah, foam.
Okay, okay. And these remote are available in the market.
It was like not plastic.
Yeah,
That's all DC motors only. The same motor you had, I used it for my car.
So, are we done for today?
I guess, yeah.
Yes.
If you want, you can watch the videos.
Yeah, of course. I have shared the screenshots and I will be watching them. All of them.
Okay. You can watch everything.
You won't end the meeting, so you can keep watching.
You can don't need to leave the meeting. You can actually just be here. Only you alone can watch the videos.
No, that's not possible.
Yes, even I can. If you have shared some link, everyone left. Only I can see videos in that Zoom. You can. Okay, Achillesh, did you got it? Any more help do you need?
Achillesh left also.
Left. Correct.
Okay. Bye, everyone. Thank you for so much support.
Hey, it is no problem. It is okay. Bye.
Bye.
What are you doing? Sending a link?
Not sending a link. Oh, only. Okay.
Bro, I have given you 2 nature club links. Go up.
Hey, I'll
to
send all of the nature club links.
No, go to Chandu, sir.
Yes, the Chandu uncle's nature club. See, I've sent
top
all
of that.
Links of.
Top of that, I have sent one video, 2 videos.
Okay, I've sent all the videos.
No. Go to about Chandu sir's first link. There are 2 links. You watch the down link. It's about Draco, that gliding lizard.
Okay. I am saving the chat.
Yeah.
What? Okay, then bye. Bye. Bye, Krishna.
Bye.
Bye, Aditi auntie.
Bye, dear. Thank you.
Aditi auntie. I
Yes.
have sent some links about electronic club. So you can actually save it and
Hey, can you post it on Slack, please?
Slack links, okay. You can watch them now. It's about electronics, and then in the full top I've given about nature club. Me and Advait both were sending links.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, bye.